Dapat aralin natin anong mga utos ng Allah at ano yung mga binawal ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We need to learn it. What is halal? The greatest command of Allah to worship one God. And the greatest shirk is to worship other than one God. One of the great command of Allah to be kind with the parents. Mabuti sa mga magulang. And it is one of the great sin to unkind, cruel to the parents. Kind with the parents. Allah say thanks to me and thanks to your parents. Because the parents have a lot of effort in our life. Especially the mother, when she gave us birth, she had a lot of pain to bring us in this world. And those people are now celebrating their birthday and they forget their own mother, who was the one deserved to be give the celebration or happiness or the credit is a mother, because you did nothing when you born. You got no pain when you born. Your mother was in pain when you were born. She was in the most terrible pain in humankind. There is no other pain than the pain of the mother when she gave birth. No other comparison at all. Even you have what kind of pain in your life, anong klaseng sakit, hindi katulad ng sakit ng nanay na nung pinanganak tayo lahat. And if you don't take care of her, if you are not kind to her and to the father, then you have no paradise in the next life. Even this life, Allah will make it a hell for you. And your children can see from you how you treat your parents. They are going to learn from you. When you get old, they treat you in the same way.